Welcome to Drawliper channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to turn on dark mode in your Samsung Galaxy A16 phone. Today I'll show you two methods that you can use to turn on dark mode in your phone. Now for the first method, just go to your settings app. Now from here scroll down and then go to display option. Now from here at the bottom you can see two options, light and dark. Now to enable dark mode you have to just select dark from here. And you can see dark mode has been enabled successfully. Now if you tap on dark mode settings, then enable this option, then you can set schedule for dark mode. You can see two options here, sunset to sunrise and custom schedule, and you can choose any option as you like, but I suggest you to set sunset to sunrise. Now for the second method, just go to home screen and then swipe from top to bottom, and at the bottom you can see dark mode option. You can also turn on dark mode from here, and it's enabled successfully. And that is how you can turn on dark mode in your Samsung Galaxy A16 phone. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.